In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify domain in Facebook Business Manager. This process is crucial if you are looking to run ads or use Facebook's marketing tools effectively. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll want to go to your Facebook Ads Manager. This is where you manage your advertising campaigns, and you can access it easily from your Facebook business account. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page for the navigation menu. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located on the left side of your screen. Click on these lines to open up the full menu of options available to you. From this menu, you will see a section labeled Manage. Under this section, look for Business Settings and click on it. Business Settings is your control center for all the key functions and integrations of your Facebook business account. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as it contains the tools you'll need to verify your domain. After clicking on Business Settings, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can see various options on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Integrations section. Click on it to expand the options available under this section. The Integrations area is where you connect external platforms, like Shopify, to your Facebook account. This integration is vital for tracking and analyzing your ad performance. Once you're in the integration section, you'll see different integration options. Here, you need to focus on the Domains option. This is where you'll add and verify your Shopify domain. Click on Domains and then look for the Add button, typically located on the right side of the screen. Clicking this will allow you to input your Shopify domain. When prompted, enter your Shopify domain. It's important to ensure there are no errors in the URL you provide, as this could cause issues with verification. Once you've entered your domain, Facebook will provide you with a DNS verification code. This code needs to be added to your Shopify DNS settings to verify ownership. Head over to your Shopify account and navigate to the Domains section. Here, you'll edit your DNS settings to include the verification code provided by Facebook. This step can vary slightly depending on your domain provider, but generally, you'll add a new TXT record with the verification code as the value. After you've updated your DNS settings, return to Facebook Business Manager and click on the Verify button. It might take a few minutes for the changes to propagate, so be patient. Once Facebook detects the verification code, your domain will be successfully verified. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've verified your Shopify domain in Facebook Business Manager, allowing you to fully utilize Facebook's powerful advertising tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.